ọtụtụ mmadụ ụmụ ọdịnala Igbo abịakwa m n'oge awa nke eziokwu nke ọ bụ mụnwa bụ Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu na-anọ n'isi ya. Oge awa nke eziokwu bụ oge anyị ji awa eziokwu niile agba. N'ụbọchị taa bụ ụbọchị Orie, a sị m na Orie ga-eritere anyị ihe ọma. A sị m onye si ihe anyị ji wee dị mma anyị dịgbuo onye a na ndụ, onye si ihe anyị ji wee nọrọ anyị nọgbuo onye a na ndụ, onye si ifeọma meere anyị ifeọma meere onye anwa. Mana anyị si onye checha ihe ọjọọ ya eme anyị ya ma onwe ya. A sị m ajọ mmụọ chere anyị ajọ ihe, ọnwụ na-egbu ajọ mmụọ bụ mmụọ ahụ. Ajọ mmadụ chere anyị njọ, ọnwụ na-egbu ajọ mmadụ gbuo ya. Ọya ikwu. A sị m ọnwa ọbụ na onye ọbụla ma ọ bụ mmụọ ọbụla sị ka o mee anyị na ọ karịrị anyị, mebe na onye ahụ n'ọnụ karịrị ya, o metara bụrụ ọhịa anyị nọ na ya. Ise n'ụbọchị tata isiokwu anyị ji wee bịa wụ ọdịnala is a spiritual movement. What you need to understand about Odinana Igbo. Odinana is not what so many people think. Odinana is just it's not just ọ bụrụ na na-ekwuru dibịa ụgwọ ka ọ chụọrụ gị aja, ma ọ na-ekwuru eze nwaanyị ụgwọ ka ọ chụọrụ gị aja, ọ ya spiritualist ka ọ chụọrụ gị aja, ịbalansizie n'ime gị ọdịnala. Ọ bụrụ na isi etu a na-apụ ata isi ya ụlọ ọdịnala, ịma ọ na ọdịnala nke gị adịrọ rooted. Ekwuona m ya mbụ adị mmegbu gị ọzọ na 70% of your spiritual work can be done by yourself. Mana ọ ga-abụ mgbe ị mere ihe ị kwesịrị ime, you must lay your foundation very solid. Ọjà bụ isiokwu anyị ji bịa. We are here today to address earnest seekers only. So if you are not earnestly seeking for your own betterment using Odinana spirituality, you can decide to excuse me. Today's topic is very serious for serious-minded people. But before I get on, maka ndị ọ bụ tata bụ izizi ha na-afụ m. Afa mbụ Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochitube Oraifite, abụ m onye isi nchụaja na Ugochitube Ọdịnala Temple. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi, lekwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Prayer Ministry, bụrụkwazi onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. My mission is to help people live better life. Ọnya bụ ihe anyị si kwado. Echefuna na aja anyị na-achụ kwa ọnwa nke ọnwa April na-sita. So ndị niile sonyere anyị na aja, ịmarago na ya na-eshi ihe ọrụ na social media maka na ọ dịrọ necessary. Mana sọsọ ndị bụ ndị sonyere na aja nke ọnwa April a, ha ga-enweta ihe onyonyo etu anyị si chịkọta ya, ma aja dị iche iche, aja ihe mmeri dị iche iche anyị chụrụ n'ụtụtụ a, ma ndị anyị ka ga-achụ na ọ bụrụ na mmesịa dis program. Gbuo anụ to entity support asị na temple, bụkwazi eburu a ga-eji mesara ha. So ọsọ ndị a ga-enweta ya bụ nchịkọta na their WhatsApp numbers, maka na ọ bụrụ for public views. Yes, maka na ọ dịrọ necessary. Ọ bụrụ na isonye wughị na aja nke ọnwa, mana ị chọrọ isonye na nke ọnwa Mee, ihe ị ga-eme ebe forward ọrụ m ya 3 prayer request, mee donation token to the account number. Echat m na WhatsApp, agwazie m gị details I need from you in order to book you. My WhatsApp number remains 0805-7837-672. I repeat, 0805-7837-672. Ọkwa nke ọzọ nwere ịma bụ, ọ bụrụ na ị na-alụ na any cable network like television network like Multi-Choice, those Go TV and DSTV or stuff, or Iroko TV or any other television station that wish to be airing our movies. Our movies is very unique. We are best setters. It's a true life stories. Yes. Money is not important at this stage. Yes. Hear them Pabo, can we get pass that message to any interested person out there? So I'm wondering now that those radio stations and wish to be airing our movies, please chat me on my WhatsApp. Echefuna. Now our movies, we no longer watch it on this channel. This channel is for evangelization. Yes, lecturing. Now, I'm going to enjoy watching our movies. But another evangelization, loading here, loading movie acting. Go to my movie channel. Go to the movie productions. That's where you watch our movies. Then, can you see about? It was here to do send the message in the WhatsApp. So, ka anyị banye na nkụzi anyị ji maka ịbịa n'ụbọchị tata nke dị ezigbo mkpa. Achọrọ m ka nkọwarụ gị ihe Igbo spirituality. Igbo spirituality is Odinana. It's a continuous one. Is a culture, a habit, or I call it a ritual. It can perform on daily basis in order to remain in communion with your spiritual forces. Is daily activities. We are living in a competitive world, so you cannot afford to stop remaining in a state of grace. Because oboro mmadụ nọ na top we hear them back. Hear them about remaining on top. You understand? Yes, and what we must do, as an order, now I'm going to have to see a barrier. Ndị Igbo na-atụ ilu sị na ọkụkọ hapụ kwọm kedu ihe ọ ga-eji zụ nwa ya. So ọ bụrụ na if you are very angry about what is happening to you right now as we speak, and you really want to change their condition, believe in me, everything is in your hands. You must change your attitude towards things. You must be more determined and serious to change what is not palatable in your life. You work it out yourself. So you lead. Whoever that is doing your spiritual work is only helping you, helping out. What the person is actually doing is using his or inviting his ezumezu for them to help him intercede in your matter. It's just a helping hand. Mana, it must be start from you. So that one down on you're not forget. Amalo na iwan onwege be remorseful and need ready to make amend and to change how things work. So if you are not angry with your condition and really want to make things better, then you are not serious. And if you are serious, there is one or two you must do. Never you get tired of doing the right thing over and over again. If you are doing right thing and you have not started seeing results, it's as a result of you have not done the right thing constantly enough to create massive results. What it means is that you keep doing it till something happens. When you pray your way out. Yes, you must do it yourself. The problem now, a kind of magic of a thing or a kind of voodoo of a thing. No. Odinana Igbo is a spiritual movement. And it's only when you spiritualize Odinana the way it is, that is the only way your conviction will be solidly led. If not, believe in me, at a stage you will give up. Because you are seeing Odinana from angle as if Odinana is just a magic of a thing. Odinana is something you will learn, is your daily activities, be happy doing it. It's a spiritual stuff. So you must create time for your spiritual exercise. Let me tell you one thing. If you are one of those people that are decide to come to Odinana in order to make money, you are not serious. Believe in me. You didn't even understand how Odinana works. What is called legal tender money is a concept of man created by every country in order for them to transact business. If not, they were brutalized by barter. Now, that's their gift. That your gift is what you will exchange for money. What it just means is that you monetize whatever you are doing, whatever value you are giving. That is how you make your money. Because the ancient book says, gift of a man maketh a way for him. It's your gift that will make a way for you. Each other know whenever they get rich quick. Odinana abro a get rich quick group. Obro pyramid scheme obro ya. Odinana Igbo abro kwano MMM. Obro ihe Odinana Igbo bụ. The thing about why is you are supposed to develop your inner consciousness and spiritual power is to activate your inner you. Because by activating your inner you, your spiritual eyes will open. Your spiritual forces will always guide you and leading you to the right path. Ka ị ghara ịbụ onye duhiere ụzọ, ka ị ghara ịgaghị ụzọ. Ọhịa Odinana Igbo ga na-emere gị ma ọ bụrụ na ị activate that your inner you. Ihe ọ ga na-eme bụ onwe ebe danger dị, you will be warned beforehand. There is danger. In order not to make a serious mistake that will cost you dearly, you will be warned beforehand. That is what your spiritual forces will be doing for you. If there is any business that is not going to pay you, you will be warned beforehand. If there is any calamities ahead of you, you will be warned beforehand. So Odinana Igbo was supposed to be the spiritual aspect of you, because the spiritual control the physical. Kamala atụ maka na ndị ma nkụzi mmadụ ndị ala ihe ọmụmatụ ihe nji ama atụ bụ ichefu ihe m kwuru cheta ihe m kwuru akọnkọ. O nwere onye a na-akpọ Saul of Tarsus, emesizielu ndị ụka mee baptizim si na Paul of Tarsus. He was a warrior, yes, during his time. O kwenyere n'okpukpe ndị Juu, kwenyesie ya ike, na-edefendekwa ya with all his strength and might. O wee bụrụ na at a stage na o nwere ebe ọ na-eje ka o jee busakwa ndị ekwenye nọ n'okwukwe agha, which mụ nwa na onwe m personally adị m against ịnwa na onwe gị ịchọ ka igbuo mmadụ because of your conviction. You don't need ka ịdị ebe igwe fanatics in order to portray what you stand for. No, make your point. Give the other person chance to decide whether to follow you or not. You got that? Oh, yeah, when they against with someone that no for the if you can force one man. No, leave the person. You understand? It's a graduate thing. Let me use my family as an example. My mom is a Christian. You 1 year working with father. Man, at a stage, all the people against Odinana. But at this point now, others against. Ihe ọ mana ya bụ ihe ọ bụla onye na-eme ya kwụwa aka ọtọ. If na the conviction others against Odinana. Mana ihe ọ nọbụ ka ime nke dị mma. Unlike eto si dịbụ many years ago. Yes, I mean it's a graduate thing. O nwere ike many years to come, o nwere ike finally decided to join Odinana full time. But I need to be force ya. Ọ ma stop m ihe ọ bụla m nwere ike imeri ya asị nwa. Marry her full time, even Tiajara. You got that? Allow her to decide on her own. So if you are told you are pushing somebody to the wall in order to bring, no, it's not good. So Saul and Nagwagi, na-ebudo onye na-eje ebuso ndị ọzọ agha. Gịnị mere? O wee bụ na Saul at a stage back ihe na ọ activate the inner power. Ọ na-arụ ya n'ụdị na ya na-eji ike okorobịa wee na-anụ ọgụ. Mana ọ dị afụ beyond his nose. The third eyes is not open. Now, kedu ihe ọ na-emezi? Ihe ọ na-emezi bụ ojebe agha nwa ebe anụ na ndị ọzọ na oje gbusia ndị mmadụ in the name of religion. Odinana Igbo did not send you to kill anybody. You know, or to force anybody. You're on your own. Because Odinana Igbo frown at murder. So, won't any justification at all. Now, this young man called Saul then, they did Damascus. However, that do to the other food and more, or activate the inner power. However, Zena, no, but a labor, ordinary animistic, horse will be a gentleman. One year for come down when more could you. Where do no magazine? Maradu to the idea of here. You go mellow. Or where he began to maltreat the horse. You understand? Obido she hit we see mercilessly. Ma obido she hit we see mercilessly. Ihe ọpụta bụ na a na-ekwu nke o mere eme. Ọ na-commit more crime by torturing animal beyond mercy. So for that reason, that being that standing in front of him made him to be blind as a punishment. Do you get my point? Yes. The point I want you to get this morning is that when a sign is given to you as a warning that that you should not continue, going the way you are going. If you persist, believe in me, more game make it. O nwere ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ atụrụ ya. O nwere ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ enyere mpịawa azụ n'ụdị dị iche iche. Enwere ike ọnwa ike nwe ndị enyere n'ụdị finance. Enwere ndị enyere n'ụdị ọmụmụ. Enwere ndị enyere n'ụdị mpịawa azụ n'ụdị dị iche iche maka ihi ekwe ha ma ọ bụ ịkpọchi ntị ha. So that blind yanwa ọdị is as another punishment for disobeying. So when more is warning you and you refuse to acknowledge, or maybe you did not see it because you are blind, spiritually blind. It's never an excuse. You will be dealt with. That is how things work in creation. So what am I saying? That our Hosea 4 say, my people are suffering because of ignorance, lack of vision and knowledge. So to gain the knowledge, to have the vision is what he expected of you. He were excuses. In creation, ignorant of law, natural law is not an excuse. Because as a human being, you are expected to learn those natural laws. Example, if any child, out of his own indolence, out of his own ignorance or whatever decide not to learn the language of his parents, believe in me, that child will blame himself. You know why? For the fact that that child cannot be able to communicate with his parents effectively, is going to suffer. Because at a stage, he will be isolated. There is no way I can be communicating with my child that is supposed to be talking at a particular age, and they find out that he cannot talk. Believe in me, it's not everything I will be able to discuss with him or her. You know that? So when you, as a child of God, yes, because all you will hear as a child of God, you refuse to learn the natural laws in creation, you have yourself to blame. So you're supposed to learn the natural laws for your own betterment. Because if you learn those things, it's for your own betterment. But when you refuse to learn those things, believe in me, you blame yourself. So what am I saying in essence? Is the duty of every child to learn one or two you're supposed to learn in creation. So to have the vision, to have the knowledge of how things work in creation is your duty. So create your time for your spiritual exercise when you will always isolate yourself from people around in order for you to meditate with your spiritual forces. By so doing, they will guide you the more. Or one or two you must be doing for your own betterment. So create time. If you are my follower and till date you have not started your spiritual exercise, believe in me, you are not serious. It could be in the morning, afternoon, or night. In fact, even if you don't have unsu, you don't have weather, you don't have hot, even if with ordinary cup of water, you can use cup of water to do your libation. In fact, let's assume that you don't even have cup of water. You can still isolate yourself for your meditation. Call your Eze-Ana and tell them that you are here, quiet moment with them. After praising them, ask them what you want. And after a while, pause a while for them to give you direction. Bido tata maybe ihe ndị a na-agwa gị. Imebe ihe ndị a na-agwa gị, ị ga-afụ na your spiritual eyes will be open. Your ears will be open. Small time, your intuition, when you hear about intuition perception, your intuitive spirit will begin to be active again. If na aga na awon go nwere business ya pụtara, asị ga etikwa n'aka. Ịghọtara ya? Asị ga etikwa n'aka na ya. Asị ga etikwa n'aka na ya, ị na-akpọ like the one that I received yesterday. O nwere anụ ụmụnna, ọ bụrụ anụ ụmụnna anyway. Iri abụọ na our imen na, that's our inner family. All nnukwu nna jikọrọ anyị nwere ana in group. So when our fathers are alive, this Eze-Ana was divided into 5 portions. You understand? Mana etoliteziri abụrụ nọkịta na-achọ ka ele ewe na-enwe ndị kweda ndị ekweda. And then when they go and they go, some are supporting it, some are not supporting it. But for me, I'm of the opinion that let there be peace. The issue of money should not bring quarrels. Instead of the thing will bring quarrels, let's share it among the way it used to be during our father's era. Understand? So, mana ụfọdụ enwezie ndị kwe na ndị ekwere. This morning, I was asked to bring my account number ka akwụnye dị ụgwọ ọtụsị na-achọrọ ile dị ana. So, ọtụsị na-achọrọ ile dị ana. I declined. You understand? I decided not to bring my account. The money runs into millions of naira. But I'm not interested. I'm not interested because more have warned me years back. I should just maintain as in quietness in that business because it's going to bring war quarrel in the future. You understand? So I will never be a scapegoat. Understand? Every account on transfer, go for the field when they shit. The truth of the matter is that MSU follow and I talk a sheet here follow on to say one thing or the other, which is not right. I still maintain my stand that NATO Seke and all them were in group. Obona and I are fathers, they like 5 families, well, or 5 brothers, well, it is a cool dianabo, a cana, or whatever really, I get Kepana into 5. I get the money into 5. You know that? Eke the money into 5. Onye ọbụla let's say Maazị Ibe, Maazị Udoka, Maazị Nchedo, Maazị Chikwado, Maazị Ifeanyi, Maazị Okafọ. Ego a na-awe eke into 5 portion. Onye ọbụla na-ezinụlọ ya. O nwezi family ga-eje ịfụ na nwere ndị let's say Maazị Ibekwe nwere ike nwee like that is the right stand. Yes. Ụfọdụ nwere ike ịchọ ka eke ndị bukarịchara nọ achọ ndị a ga-eshit. It's not going well in the spiritual realm. So I was one to stay away, and that's why I stayed away. I told every one of my elder brothers that look, I'm not interested. If you want to forward it, I can forward to them. I'm not interested. I'm not interested because what he made that Diana. In fact, I talk we go there. Even I'm actually go there. That they are going to keep to open in future because now I'm in you know that instead of just go see and they doors have my camera. More one let there be peace. Once there is peace, and one problem. So my sheet 1 year. You want to Kuzia. Send the other message in the WhatsApp 0805 78 37672. But what can I share about it? Can one negi ni only begging no Kuzia and Ota. On what they kiss in Akagi. Change your life here and believe in me, you will remain blessed. Now, I took a premier on the Canis in Akia. A woman who was listening in the Suena. No Gawa case, sitting home again, Melon. Let us speak all this. Now, I took a premier on the Canis in Akia. I guess, yeah, offer.